Hello, brothers and sisters, friends, and fellow dreamers. How are you? Welcome back to my brand new video. I hope everything is going well and all of you are passing a great time. My name is Monowar Maim. I am a student as well as I am an English learner like you. Apart from this, I am running a YouTube channel where you are watching this video right now. Well, I have been learning English for more than 1 year and it has been a great journey for me. I enjoy speaking in English. Although it was not so easy, it was difficult for me and I think everyone faced this problem. But now when I speak in English, my heart fills with joy. Majority of people think that if they want to speak in English, they must join in expensive English speaking coaching center or they must enroll themselves into English speaking courses. But this thinking is totally wrong. You don't need to join any expensive coaching center or you don't need to enroll yourself into any English speaking courses. You can learn this language, you can learn English speaking all by yourself. You can learn this language alone, as I learned this language alone all by myself. Okay, yes, I was also thinking like you that I must join a coaching to learn this language, but suddenly I came across a video, and in that video a brother, a tutor, a mentor told that you don't need to join an expensive coaching center to learn this language. You can learn this language by yourself, you can learn this language alone, and you can learn this language by your own. That time I felt motivated. At that time I got motivated and I started learning this language on my own. Now I can speak much better in English, but when I started English speaking, that time I could not speak a single sentence in English. But as you can see, I am progressing. As you can see my progress. Okay, so now I can't say that I am a fluent English speaker, but I can say that I have come so far that the other people who has been trying to reach the fluency that I have, okay, right now. So I learned this English language all by myself, as I told. So you don't need any mentor, you don't need any teacher, or you don't need any English speaking course to learn this language. Okay, you can learn this language by staying in your comfort zone. Okay, so I was an introvert, and there is a myth that for introvert it is impossible or it is so difficult to learn any skill to learn any language. But introvert can learn faster. This is not my statement, this is not my opinion, this is the opinion of lots of psychologists, this is the opinion of lots of successful persons. And today I will tell you how you can learn this English language on your own and all by yourself. Most of you think that you need mentor to learn this language, but you don't need any mentor. If you have mobile phone, this device where you are watching this video right now, and if you have internet connection, then that's all. You don't need anything extra. This mobile phone can be the best mentor for you. Okay, and this mobile phone was the best mentor for me, and this mobile phone was the teacher who helped me to learn this language. I was hesitant to seek help from others, and that's why when I came across a video when I was scrolling on the YouTube, in that video a brother told me that you don't need anything, you don't need any mentor to learn this language, you just need this mobile phone. By using this mobile phone I am learning, and I must say that this is my mentor. So my brothers and sisters, I think you have understood what I am trying to say to you. When I started learning English speaking, I did not know how to form a sentence. I did not know anything. And when I went on YouTube to watch English content, because I heard that if I watch English content more and more, then I will be familiar with English language. That's why I went on YouTube to watch English content, but I could not able to understand what the speaker trying to say on that video. But I did not stop watching videos. I kept watching videos. I kept feeding my brain English content, okay? And then after a few days, after a few weeks, I realized that I gradually started understanding the English language and I saw an improvement inside of me. I realized that I started understanding English language and that boosted my confidence level. And then I started practicing English speaking, but I could not able to form English sentences. And then I learned some grammar. Those are tense, parts of speech, modal verbs, and preposition. And after learning this simple grammar, I could able to make sentences. Then I started practicing in English. Whatever I was doing, whatever I was seeing, I tried to speak everything in English. Okay, if I felt any problem, if I stuck to speak that thing in English, I went to Google Translate and I write that sentence on Google Translate in my native language, and the Google Translate helped me to translate that sentence into English, and then I speak that English out loud. Okay, that's how I practice English. As you want to learn this language, that's why I have a suggestion for you. The suggestion is you have to prepare yourself mentally, because you must have a desire to learn this language. You must have a willpower to learn this language. You have to maintain the consistency, because without maintaining consistency, you can't learn this language. If you break the consistency, you are not going to learn this language. You are not going to become fluent in this language. And that's why you have to be consistent, and you have to maintain the consistency until you become fluent in this language. In initial stage, you have to focus on listening, but after 2 weeks or after 1 month, you have to focus on speaking. But in initial stage, try to spend more time in listening as much as you can do, and after 1 month or after passing 1 or 2 weeks, try to spend as much as you can in speaking. Okay, because everyone want to learn a language only for speaking purpose. Okay, and I am learning this language because I want to speak in English. So speaking is the main goal for every learner, every language learner. So you have to speak every single day, at least for 15 minutes. If you are the most busiest person, then you have to speak at least for 15 minutes, because without maintaining consistency, without speaking every single day, you can't learn this language. One more suggestion I want to give you, that is, try to speak everything in English. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are listening, whatever you are watching, whatever you are looking, whatever you are seeing, try to speak everything in English. Okay, that's how you can achieve fluency. And English is a great skill that has the power to change your life. So don't think that you can learn this language in overnight or within 1 month. It is totally wrong. English is a great skill, and learning a great skill takes time. Okay, so be patient and keep learning. Try to learn new things every single day. Try to learn new vocabularies every single day. Okay, that's all for today. Don't stop learning, don't stop practicing English speaking. And if I forget anything to tell, then please let me know in the comment box. Definitely I will reply your comment, and I will explain whatever you want to know from me. Okay, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.